What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm glad to have you here. Today we're going to do our format a little bit different than I usually do it. As you can see, you can actually see me. That's already a lot different than my last few videos. Let's go ahead and dive in. We can start here with my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see here, I am at $7,800 as of right now. Markets actually haven't opened yet. It's actually 8:20 a.m. where I am, so it's too early. Well, it's not too early, but the markets haven't opened yet. So as you can see here, as of yesterday, I guess, I was up $45, and then another $69 after hours, which is after market closes. So I guess it was a pretty great day for returns as of yesterday. My stock portfolio's been kind of iffy lately, but it's actually getting back to where it was and gaining from there. So I'm actually happy about that. I've actually made a couple new purchases since my last video. One of them being Amazon, the juggernaut, or one of them. So it's the e-commerce juggernaut for sure. So Amazon, I just purchased here. So right now, each share is $1,934. I purchased in at $1,911. So far I've made approximately $23. I'm up about $23. I don't usually like to say I've made a certain amount of money unless I cash out, which I rarely ever do. Yep, so $23 so far on that, and which is about 1.23%. And yesterday's return was about 1.7%. So I actually am just now breaking even as of yesterday, technically, kind of. So that's one big purchase I've made. I'm so happy to have actually finally invested in this stock. Amazon just introduced one-day shipping, so I'm really excited about that, and I feel like that's going to pretty much dominate the e-commerce industry, just simply because no one else is able to compete with that right now. Not Walmart, not Target, or anything. They're just now catching up with the 2-day shipping. So I feel like Amazon's going to be doing really well, or continue to do really well. They should consider like a stock split, but that's another video for another time. Anyways, also another huge purchase. Well, I wouldn't consider it huge. That's my biggest purchase so far. So I kind of started with the best news. But we also I purchased a new share of Adidas since my last video. Right now, Adidas is selling for $150 a share, and I have one share, and I purchased in at $126, and so since the share is worth $150 so far, my total gain is $24.28. So I'm up about almost 20% on that. So that was a good investment so far. Looks good. Considering purchasing Nike in the future. I've actually used to own Nike, but I sold it prematurely, and I shouldn't have. But you know, if you're an investor, you know those kind of things happen. You just learn from it, and you don't make the same mistake twice. So Adidas, Amazon, let's see, I purchased a few more shares of CVS. As of right now, I am down about $80 on CVS, but actually I'm looking to purchase more. I viewed their balance sheet, and I'm actually don't understand why their shares are selling for as low as they are. But if they are, that's fine with me. I'll just purchase while they're low. Kraft Heinz is another It's not a new position, but I actually, it's one of my, I'm kind of just spectating on it. It's one of my speculation stocks. I'm not completely 100% all in, but they are under a new CEO. I think his name is like Miguel Patricio or something like that. So maybe he can help revive the company. However, I don't think that the company is necessarily dead. I just think that it's not exactly as valuable as it was in the past, which has caused it to the stock value of it to drop a lot from what it was. But I think it still has the potential to be a great long-term investment, but that's just my personal opinion. Opinion is just that, an opinion, and that's all. I'm not a stock trading expert. I just kind of wanted to show you guys my stock trading journey personally, and if you guys have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you. And if I don't know the answer, I don't ever hesitate to just say I don't know, and I'll just find out for us. So I purchased, this is the Kraft Foods position I purchased in at $33.40. Right now it is selling for $31. So I actually have lost about $2.26 on this position so far. However, they do have an earnings call coming up soon, so we will see how it looks. I'll see here, it looks like the earnings call is expected tomorrow. Cool. So we'll see how they perform this quarter, or how they performed this past quarter. One thing I do like about this stock is they do offer dividends. I just received one dividend June 14th for 40 cents, and then another one before that, March 22nd, for 40 cents, because I only have one share, so it's not going to be $1,000. That's another reason I have CVS that I mentioned earlier. They offer dividends, and that is one incentive for purchasing a stock. Dividends are basically money you receive for owning the share. Usually it's quarterly, but some stocks offer you dividends monthly. I personally don't own any stocks that offer dividends monthly, but they do exist. We have Apple also offers dividends. And I actually purchased a new share of Apple since my last video. So let's go take a look and see how that's doing. Right now it's selling for $200. My average cost is $175. I've got two shares like I just mentioned. So my total return right now is $50.71. And let's see how the dividends are doing. Still getting used to like the Robinhood on the desktop, because I'm usually using my phone. But like I said, I'm trying this new format, so I want you guys to see me. And anyways, here are the dividends for May 16th. It's $1.54 for only two shares. Not too bad, honestly. Because if I had two shares of Kraft, I would only be bringing in 80 cents, because the dividend is about 40 cents a share. So I'm pretty satisfied. Not only that, but I am also up. I'm actually up about $50. So not only am I gaining money with the growth of the company, I'm also gaining money with the dividends that I receive from the company. So yeah, those are my major purchases. Amazon, I'm so excited about that one-day shipping they offer. They have to be hiring, because I don't see how else they're going to pull that off, the one-day ship. I feel like everybody in America has to be on board in order for that to work. But that do its thing. It's also probably going to be really expensive for them to kind of make that happen. Either they're going to have to give more incentive to their workers to kind of like get the workers they do have to kind of like work longer hours or something to get everything out within that 24-hour period, or I'm not sure. Or hire more workers, which also costs money. I'm not sure the actual logistics behind that, but I'm actually interested in seeing how they make that work. But I trust Jeff Bezos, he seems to be making some great decisions. So that's that. Disney is one of my other new shares.